Okay, mula po sa finish line, pabalik na po ako, pero mahaba pa rin po ang pila. Okay. Marami pa rin po ang parating. Pabalik na po, marami pa rin po ang dumarating. Hindi pa rin po.
Radyo ka.
Walang katapusan. Worldwide walk. Parang hindi pa rin mahulugang karayo. Ang iba po ay pauwi na rin. Sige po. Hello po.
Kamusta po kaya?
Kamusta po? Hello. Ramon Magsaysay Center, andito pa rin po sila.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa
Ayan, medyo lumawag na po ang paglalakad nila.
Pagpamahalang pangkalahatan ng kapatid na Eduardo V. Manalo sa proyektong ito na inilunsan sa banal na iglesia. Dahil kitang-kita po natin at damang-dama natin ang pagmamahal ng ating pamamahala, lalong-lalo na sa mga kapatid po natin na naapektuhan ng matinding kalamidad dyan sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, ang mga kapatid naman po dito sa distrito ng Northern Midwest, I'm very excited po sa activity na ito. Ang pag-uwi ay
Malalaman po rin kung sino mga pasaway ang ayaw ng tapusin, lumalabas. Lokal ang bagong bantay. Facebook po, tag. Lokal ng bagong bantay.
Alam po ninyo ay ibang lamok ayuan. Ang venue po natin ay recreational place ng buong town. Mapupuno po yun ng mga kapatid from Northern Midwest.
Wow. Bale mga, ano pong estimated number po of participants?
Give or take 2,500.
Wow, 2,500. Thank you very much for that, Jonathan. Now let's go back to Leslie. Leslie, are there any activities after the walk?
Because it is a weekend of worship service class and the doesn't have traveled far, most will be back to their home locale. But just knowing the sacrifice that we made to travel this far to this place, in spite of the weather, everyone here is
Kasi mangot na si ate.
to do their job in this
We will keep updated and please update us when it starts, prior to the event and after. We'll catch up with you later.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Meanwhile, makakapanayam natin via Skype ang ating Eagle News correspondent Don Orozco mula sa San Jose, California. Magandang gabi sa'yo, John Don. Hi, John. Yes?
And it's good morning there, good evening sa California.
Walang katapusan ang pagdagsa ng mga kapatid. Kahit hindi po mga kapatid, lahat po ay nakikipagkaisa. Ayos, buhay-buhay sa ate. Benta-benta din pag may time.
Be at the Guadalupe River Park
Okay,
in
nasa Max.
downtown San Jose. We expect a cloudy weather but will be fairly nice at 63 degrees Fahrenheit or mga 17 degrees centigrade. And we are expecting a huge number of participants as well as local officials from around the Bay Area.
About how many participants estimated for do you expect at the various locations?
For the premium banquet in Sacramento, in San Francisco as well as in San Jose, it is
Say hi!
1,500 2,000 per location. And then in Fresno, we are expecting about 500 to 1,000 po na mga participants.
Thank you, Brother Don. That's Brother Don Orozco, correspondent from San Jose, California.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Okay, so San Jose.